Okay, so we would be writing a few functions. We can write one function which would count number of digits. So we'll pass a number to it and we'll get the number of digits, right? We need to write another function that finds a raised to 4 or b raised to 4 or a cube, something of that sort, right? So I can name it x pow int x int y, right? And the third function which I need to write is a boolean is armstrong, right? And I'll pass the number n to it, right? And the fourth function which I need to write is void print n arm. Is this thing clear? The functions which I would be writing. So what I would essentially be doing is I would be taking out each digit, right? Passing that digit and the count of that number into the function x raised to y, right? And keep on adding whatever is returned by x power y, right? And at the end I would check whether that given number is Armstrong or not, right? So I'll say hash include iostream, then using namespace std, right? Then all the declarations, int main, return 0, right? I'll write count, I'll say int c equals to 0, I'll say while n is greater than 0, right? I'll say c plus plus and n equals to n slash 10, right? And I'll simply return c. I think this should give me the count, and I'll write another function int x power y int x int y, right? Here what I'll do, I'll have some int I equals to 1, and I'll say for again I equals to 1 I, and okay, I can do this thing now. I less than equals to y I plus plus, right? And here, will this thing work? Will that semicolon work? Yes, it will. Okay. So this function simply finds x raised to y, right? Third function which I would write is bool is int n, right? Now what I need to do in this particular function is, right, I need to check, I need to first get the count of digits. So before that I'll simply get a few numbers. I'll take an n1, I'll assign it to n, then I'll take c equals to count of n, right? The number, what I would get is the number of digits. Then I'll say while n is greater than 0, I would also require a sum, right? So I would say while n is greater than 0, right? I would say s plus equals to x power y, right? N mod 10 comma c, right? Now I am complicating the things, avoiding use of extra variables, right? That's what I would say, and I would say n equals to n slash 10, right? And I would say if s equals to n1, right? I would say return true, else I would return false, right? I think this should work. And then I would say void print n r. Right, what will this do? I'll have an int I, then I'll say for I equals to 1, I less than equals to n, I plus plus. Right, I would also require a count, which is c equals to 0, and I would say if is arm of I, means if it returns me true, I'd simply say c plus plus. Right, I would print I, right, that's what I would do. Right, and here I would say int n, then I would say cout enter n, c in n, and I would say print n r. Will this work? Ten, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9. Okay, what might be the issue? What might be the issue? 11 डाल के देखो. Okay, 12 डाल देता हूँ. Okay, still it did not work. Okay, so why did it not work? Anything that you think is an issue, or what might be the issue? Right, let us debug. Let us take the count. Right. Okay, so can you get the issue, or did you get the issue? Yes, no? Hello, hello, hello. See, if I enter 10, right, is my count correct? It is, my I is moving from 1 to 10. So for first 9 numbers it is giving me correct count. For 10 it is giving me the correct count. If I enter 100, right, I am getting count as 3, last count as 3. So my count function is fine, right? So let me not worry about my count. Okay, then what about next? Will my x raised to y work? I equals to 1, res is equal to 1, I less than equals to I plus plus, result is resultant to x. I think this should work, right? My s is 0, n mod 10 comma c. Is it going to work, or does this thing have an issue? Let us write cout of s. एक करोड़ सी आउट देने वाला है, सी आउट ही नहीं दिया. Okay, so what do you think can be the issue? Again, anything that